Hello everyone, we are team 021 participating in the NeuroX 1.0 hackathon organized by Hackathon Hub NSBM. Our solution is Procure Pilot, an autonomous vendor quotation analysis and purchase approval agent for B2B organization. It transforms a simple purchase request into a traceable supplier recommendation while keeping the final purchasing decision with the human manager.
Problem we identify is common in small and medium-sized businesses. Procurement still runs through emails, PDF quotations, shared folders, and spreadsheets. A request may simply say buy 25 Wi-Fi access points within 2 weeks, but it may omit licensing, warranty, tax, delivery location, or budget. Staff must clarify these gaps, contact vendors, chase responses, and compare quotations that use different formats and currencies. This wastes times and creates risk because the cheapest quote is not always compliant or the best overall choice. Proposed solution is stateful autonomous agent. First, it understands the purchase goal and asks only the smallest useful clarification question. Then it prepares and sends a consistent request for quotation, tracks vendor replies, and resumes when the new email arrives. It selects the correct extraction tool for text PDFs or scanned documents, normalizes text, currency, freight, warranty, and delivery terms, and applies deterministic procurement rules. Finally, it produces a ranked recommendation with the original evidence. It never places the order by itself. The procurement manager must approve the award. Technically, Procure Pilot has 5 layers. Inputs arrive from a requester portal, email events, vendor documents, and the organization's procurement policy. A central agent orchestrator observes the current state, reasons about the safest next action, and invokes only allow listed tools. This include email for RFQs, PDF extraction, and OCR. Foreign exchange and calculation services, and a deterministic policy and scoring engine. Results are verified before the state and audit log are updated. If a parcel fails, the agent retires, switches tools, or escalates. The final approval gate is separate and mandatory, so no financial commitment can happen without human authority. This is more than a chatbot or a fixed automation script. The agent continuously observes reasons, acts, and verifies. It can pause while waiting for a vendor replies, checkpoint its states, and resume later. When information is ambiguous, it asks rather than guessing. When a tool fails, it can retry safely, use catch data, switch from text extraction to OCR, queue the task, or send it for human review. This gives agent a meaningful autonomy over repetitive and reversible work while keeping high-risk decisions under human control. During phase 2, we will build one complete and testable RFQ journey. First, we will define the purchase, quotation, and approval schemes, the state machine, and procurement policy rules. Second, we will connect a lightweight web portal, an email sandbox, PDF, and OCR extraction, and a local database. Third, we will implement the agent orchestration, planning, conditional tool selection, confidence, checks, retries, persistence, and the human approval gate. Finally, we will test normal, ambiguous, and failure scenarios, measure extraction and comparison accuracy, and record an end-to-end demonstration. Our prototype will use free or local components, including a local language model, Python-based services, and SQLite, so it remains feasible within the build period. Found NeuroX through the university and hackathon community, and it on its online promotions. As a team, we believe NeuroX 1.0 is a valuable opportunity to move beyond classroom concepts and build an AI system for a genuine business problem. It encourages us to combine technical creativity with responsibility, explainability, and teamwork. We are excited to learn from the competition and collaborate with the wider community and turn Procure Pilot into a working prototype. Thank you from Team 0 to 1. We look forward building it in Phase 2.